Senior A Division, One Love kontra Pele Boys. Last game natin to ng Senior A Division. First quarter, bola ng One Love. Shoutout kay Aldrich Nadal. Walang jakas. And the first quarter, 9 minutes and 14 seconds for the free. No! Hindi pa nakakabutas, both team. Number 8, Soriano. Wala pass. Huli ka. Number 29, Santos. 29, pull-up, jumper. Number 19, pull-up, jumper. Still, number 31. What a pass! No! Oras natin, 8 minutes and 45 seconds. And the first quarter, Senior A Division. Nagdalim nga tayo dito sa Barangay Badingan. Last game natin, Senior A Division. No! Eight minutes and 20. And the first quarter. Oh, binali pa. Nakaharap ba kami? 8 minutes exactly. Wala pa nakakabutas. For that free. No. Put back number 27. Put back. Huli. Kasi may foul. Oras natin. 7 minutes and 49 seconds. And the first quarter. Seven minutes and 49 seconds. Basket is good. Score natin 2-0. Favor of Pele Boys. Kontra One Love. Number 12. Ano ang gagawin ng One Love? Shoutout sa family Nadal ng One Love. Number 29 Santos. Still. Number 8, Soriano. Basket is good. Score natin 4-0. Hindi pa nakakabutas ang One Love. May foul. Still, number 8, Soriano coast to coast. May foul.
And this ball yeah, to be known to number 8, Soriano.
Walang dyan kasi ha.
Hindi, wag kayo maniwala dyan kay boss.
Basket is good, Soriano. Score natin 6-0. Hindi pa nakakabutas ang One Love. 6 minutes and 35. Number 19, still. To number 8, Soriano. Number 8, no. Score natin 6-0. Ano ang gagawin ng One Love? Number 29, Santos. Number 8, Soriano. Power move. Basket is good. I-score natin 8-0. Oh, love jumper. Wala pa rin sa One Love. 8-0 score natin. Hindi pa nakakabutas. Ang One Love kontra Pele Boys. Quarter 3, no. Oras natin 5 minutes and 45. Numbers 8 Nadal. 29 Santos. May foul. No.
Bola. Kasi sila tayo ka.
Oras natin 5 minutes and 33 seconds. Bautista, no. Hindi pa nakakabutas.
Patay kayo dyan.
Oras natin 5 minutes and 25 seconds. And the first quarter, 8-0. Number 5 to number 7, Arbao, no. Number 7, Arbao. Number 5, Penover sa Pele Boys. Score natin 8-0. Favor of Pele Boys kontra One Love. Oh no! Nagugulo na pa ako. Oras natin 4 minutes and 41 seconds. And a first quarter. Number 7, Albao. Number 22. To number 4, Lopez. Pull up jumper. Lopez, no. Number 5. Woodback. No. Lopez. Score. I'm out. One Love. Score natin 10-0. Hindi pa nakakabutas. Ang One Love dito kontra Pele Boys. 4 minutes and 12 seconds. And the first quarter. At sa inyo, nag-switch fiber, mag-switch ka na. Ayun, balik action tayo. Score natin 10-0. Hindi pa nakakabutas ang One Love Senior A Division kontra Pele Boys. 4 minutes and 12 seconds. And the first quarter, 10-0. Hindi pa nakakabutas ang One Love. Mandani, number 12, Mandani, wala pass. Number 3, pull up jumper, no. To number 7, Albao, basket is good. I-score natin 12-0. 12-0 lang ang ginawa dito ng Pele Boys kontra One Love. 3 minutes and 40. Pull up 3. No. Tumatakbo ang Pele Boys. Number 7. Albao. Back-to-back basket yan sa Pele Boys. 14-0. Number 12. Mandani. One side step. Mandani. No. Pull up jumper. Wala pa rin. May foul. Unang tira ni number 3 ng One Love. No. Hindi pa nakakabutas ang 1 love dito in the first quarter. 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Score natin 14-0. Basket is good. Nakabutas na ang 1 love dito. Senior A Division. Last game na natin to. Ng Summer League Barangay Batingan. Number 5, discarded. Number 5, no. Number 4, Lopez. Basket is good. 16-1. 15 ang kalamangan dito ng Pele Boys. Senior A Division. Number 12, Mandani. Still, number 9, number 8, Pogoy. To number 5, Lara. It's good. Shoutout kay Michael Arago. 18-1. 17 ang kalamangan ng Pele Boys. Mandani, no. Rebound number 3. Ano ang gagawin ng 1 love? Still, number 7, Albao to Lopez. No good. To number 2. Number 12, Mandani. Still, to number 9, Ogoy. Score. 21 ang score natin. Nakakaisang puntos pa lang ang 1 love Senior A Division kontra Pele Boys. Number 19, may foul. Si number 7, no count yun, idol. Shoutout kay Boss Michael Florendo. 21. Kailan ba ang interpalengke natin, mga idol? Number 3. Number 2. Still, number 5, Lara. 21 ang score natin. To number 7, Albao. No! Also number 2. To number 9, Mandani. To number 19. Wala pass! Basket is good. Score natin 23. Tatlo pa lang ang score dito ng 1 love kontra Pele Boys. Number 9, Pogoy, no. Rebound number 4. Dumulas yung bola. Number 9, Mandani. May foul. Shoutout kay Kuya Aldrich Nadal. Shoutout sa family Nadal, mga idol. At kay Kuya Joel Nadal. Number 9, Mandani. Ano ang gagawin ng 1 love? Traveling violation. $46 seconds. In the first quarter, 46 seconds. Score natin 23. Ano ang gagawin ng Pele Boys? Taco play. Number 4, Lopez. 22. 3. 21 ang kalamangan dito ng Pele Boys. Number 29, Santos. Same ball. Nako-play ng 1 love, no! Rebound number 4, Lopez. To number 7, Albao. To number 5, Lara. No, Lara. Basket is good. Score natin 24-3. 21 ang kalamangan ng Pele Boys kontra 1 love. Penalty na ang Pele Boys. In the first quarter, 2 seconds. Oras natin 2 seconds. And in the first quarter, 24-3. 21 ang ibabaon dito ng Pele Boys. And the first quarter, second quarter na tayo ng Senior A Division. Shoutout kay Mekaniko Go ng Kalbon. Shoutout sa Mekaniko Go ng Kalbon. Score natin 24-3. 24-3 ang score natin. Lamang na malaki ang Pele Boys kontra One Love. Shoutout kay John Mar Man 1. Shoutout kay Wall Up Jumper. Basket is good. Shoutout kay coach ng Pele Boys, John Man 1 for the 3. No. 24-5. Shoutout kay Warren Aragosa. 25. Official score 24-5. Santos, no. Ano ang gagawin dito? Still 8 seconds. Oras natin 9 minutes exactly. And a second quarter 24-5. Number 31 naghahabol pa rin ng One Love kontra Pele Boys. $24-5 score natin. Nadal number 8 discard the pull up jumper. No. Oras natin 8 minutes and 34 seconds. 24-5. Malaki pa rin ang kalamangan ng Pele Boys. Number 18, Mesa. Wala pass. Foul! Walang tira is good. Number 1. Score natin 25-5. Nakakalimang puntos pa lang ang One Love in the second quarter. Oras natin 8 minutes and 18 seconds. Second quarter, Senior A Division. Last game na natin to ng Senior A Division. No. Number 3, Tumesa. No. Still number 8, Nadal coast to coast. Nadal is good. Score natin 25-7. Number 3 season to number 1. No. Score natin 25-7. Number 8 Nadal. Number 8. Ano ang gagawin ng One Love? Number 8 Nadal. Number 8. 25-7. 7 minutes and 20. And the second quarter. Number 15 for the 3. No. Oras natin 7 minutes and 5 seconds. And the second quarter 25-7. Six minutes and 50. Number 18 to number 17 ang taso. Number 3. No. Put back. Basket is good. 27-7. Lobula. Ang kalamangan ng Pele Boys. Mandani. No. Number 1 to number 18. Mesa. No. Put back. It's good. 29-7. Binauna sa triple-double ang kalamangan ng Pele Boys. In the second quarter, 6 minutes exactly. 29-7. Five minutes and 50. Number 12, Mandani. To number 8, Nadal. No. Number 12, Mandani. No. For the 3. Number 1 to number 15, Alcalde. No. 29-7 is still number 1 to number 15. Mesa, pull-up jumper. Time out. Official score 29-7. 5 minutes and 24 seconds in the second quarter. Shoutout kay Kuya Jobel Escalona. 29-7. Abante pa rin ang malaki ang Pele Boys second quarter kontra One Love Senior A Division. Last game na natin to. Knockout play. Still number 12, Mandani. 5 minutes and 13 seconds second quarter. Anore to number 80, pull-up jumper. Rebound number 10. Paso number 27. 29-7. Soriano, pull-up jumper. No. To number 29, Santos. Hey, what a move. 29-9 score natin. Malaki-laki pa rin ang hahabulin dito ng One Love for the 3 short. 29-9 second quarter. 4 minutes and 34 still. Number 8, Soriano. Number 8. Wala pass. No. Number 10, putback. It's good. I-score natin 31-7. Ano ang gagawin ng One Love? Santos, no. Rebound na kanino. Pass to number 25, Aragosa. Putback, Aragosa is good. $33-9. Binauna ang One Love dito na second quarter. 33-9. Mandani up and under. No. Oras natin 3 minutes and 35 second quarter. Basket is good. 35-9 and a second quarter. Number 29, Santos. Ano ang gagawin ng One Love? Santos running shot. May foul. Oras natin 3 minutes and 17 seconds. And a second quarter. Unang tira ni number 29, Santos. No. $35-9 score natin. No. Rebound number 8, Soriano. Kamadali, number 8, Wala pass. Foul! Basket and one. (37-9). Bonus shot, no. Oras natin, 3 minutes exactly. Official score, 37-9. Nag-aabol pa rin ang 1 love dito in the second quarter. Bautista for the 3. Short. Rebound number 3. Bautista. To number 12. Mandani. (37-9). Nako play. Number 12, Mandani. Mandani! No! Bautista, pull up jumper. Rebound number 27. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Number 8, Soriano. Wala pass! Basket is good! Jolata. 39-9. 40 na ang kalamangan dito na Pele Boys. Number 8, Soriano. Basket is good. 41-9 ang score natin. And a second quarter, 1 minute and 40. Still, number 8, Soriano. Still, number 8, Nadal. Nadal. Huli ka. Symbol. Time out. 1 love. Official score 41-9. Atid sa inyo ng Switch Fiber. Mag-switch ka na. Available nationwide or Rizal area. Ayun. Shoutout pala sa Grand Basketball Intercommercial. 1 minute and 27 seconds. Shoutout kay Idol Chris Arabit Porcatos. Bawi next game, Idol. 41-9 score natin. Double, triple ang kalamangan dito ng Pele Boys. 41-9. And the second quarter, number 12, Mandani. No. Paso number 8, Soriano to Aragosa. It's good. Score natin 43-9. Binaw na ang 1 love. And the second quarter, Nadal to Santos. 3 points. 45 seconds. 43-12. Score natin 43-12. Number 38, Jolata. No. Rebound number 8, Soriano. Number 10, putback. Putback pa rin. Number 10 is good. 45-12. Number 10. Number 19, pull up jumper. Number 19 to number 29, Santos. Pangalawa na ba? No. Number 2 off the glass. Number 25 off the buzzer. Basket is good. Soriano. Official score 47-14. Malaki-laki ang ibabaon dito ng Pele Boys in the third quarter kontra 1 love Senior A Division, 47-14. Atid sa inyo ng Switch Fiber. Mag-switch ka na. Yo, official score 47-14. Sino kaya ang makakakuha ng unang panalo ngayong gabi? Nararamdaman na to ng Pele Boys. Hinihintay na lang ang oras dito. In the third quarter and final quarter, 47-14. Last game na natin to ng Barangay Summer League, Barangay Batingan. Happy Friday mga idol. 47-14 score natin. Atid sa inyo na Switch Fiber. Mag-switch ka na.
Nasaan?
Balik action tayo. Third quarter, 47-14. Lamang pa rin dito ang Pele Boys. In the third quarter. Ayun, balik action tayo. In the third quarter. Senior A Division, Pele Boys kontra One Love. Lopez. Still number 22 to number 9. Pogoy. It's good. 49-14. Santos, no. Rebound number 4. Lopez, tumatakbo ang Pele Boys. Number 9, Pogoy, no. Oras natin 9 minutes and 15 seconds in the third quarter. Pull up jumper. Number 4, Lopez. To number 9, huli to Albao. Oras natin 9 minutes in sagli. In the third quarter, 51-14. 51-14. 10 over. Ten over yun sa One Love. Official score, 51-14. Malaki pa rin ang kalamangan dito ng Pele Boys. Lara, number 5. Wala pass to Lopez. Put back Lopez. Still, number 7, Albao. Albao, number 7. Spin move, up and under. Hold. Unang tira, number 7, Albao. No. Pangalawang tira, number 7. Basket is good. Mokon pala kay Albaw, tumapak sa linya. 51-14 score natin. Ano ang gagawin ng One Love? Number 94, 3. Rebound number 2. Off the glass. (51-16). Number 4, Lopez. No. Put back. No. Number 7, Albao. Number 7, wala pick. Wala pass. Good. Okay. So number 7, Albao. 53-16. Pinauna ang One Love dito. And the third quarter, Santos for the 3. No. Number 5, 2-1. Number 5, Lara. Time out, One Love. 55-16. Maganda ang gazing ng Belly Boys ngayong Friday. 7 minutes exactly. And a third quarter, 55-16. Grabe na ang ginagawa dito ng Belly Boys. Ayaw magpaawat. And a third quarter, 55-16. Malaki ang kalamangan ng Belly Boys. Ayun, balik action tayo, third quarter. Atin sa inyo na switch fiber. Mag-switch ka na. 55-16. Ano ang gagawin ng One Love? Mandani. No number 8, Nadal for the 3. Pass to number 5, Lara. Number 5. Hindi nagkaamo yan na magkakampi. Aso, malaki pa rin ang kalamangan nila. 55-16. 6 minutes and 35. Mandani. Hindi rin nagkaamo yan. (55-16). Number 5, Lara. To number 4, Binali po. Lopez. It's good. 57-16. Number 8, Nadal. Pull up jumper, Nadal off the glass. 57-10 score natin. Number 29, Santos. Five minutes and 30 for the 3. No. Number 5, Lara. Tupogoy. Basket is good. (59) Number 19. Ano ang gagawin ng One Love? And the third quarter, 5 minutes exactly. Ah! 59-21. Number 12, Mandani. No. Number 5, Lara. Double dribble. Score natin 59-21. Naghihintay na lang ng oras ang Belly Boys. Ngayong gabi, Senior 8 Division. Oras natin 4 minutes and 21. Four minutes and 10 seconds in the third quarter. 59-21. Ano ang gagawin ng One Love? Bautista, pull up jumper. Number 18. Mesa. No. Turnover sa One Love, 59-21, 3 minutes. Number 5, ang taas for the day. Number 1, Mandani. Tatlo kalaban, Mandani. Wala pass. Number 15 to number 3, intercept. Turnover. Oras natin 2 minutes and 49. Mesa. Still number 18, Mesa. Arcadia. No. 2 minutes and 30. And the third quarter, Mandani, wala pass. Number 19, 59-25. Number 3, Season. Number 3, Season. Binali po. Basket is good. 61-25. Number 8, Nadal, coast to coast. (61-27) and the third quarter, 1 minute and 40. Number 15 to Mesa. No. Still number 17, up and unders. Number 3, Season. Oras natin 1 minute and 20. Oras natin 1 minute and 24 seconds. 63-27 and the third quarter. Malaki-laki ang kalamangan dito ng Peli Boys. Back to the ball game, third quarter, 1 minute and 24 seconds. 63-27. Ano ang gagawin ng One Love in the third quarter? No. May foul. Unang tira, number 90 is good. 1 minute and 12 seconds. And the third quarter, 63. Number 1, Bulig. Arcado, wala pass. Still, number 3, Season. Arcadia, no. Put back. May foul. Oras natin, 42 seconds in the third quarter. Still. Oras natin, 32 seconds. 32 seconds in the third quarter. Still. Number 3, Season. To number 15. Turnover. 20 seconds. And the third quarter, Senior A Division. Still, number 17. To number 15. No! Number 15! No! Sayang naman yun. Kay number 15. Official score 63-28. 63-28. And the third quarter, final quarter na tayo. Fourth quarter. Ayun, natin sa inyo na switch fiber. Mag-switch ka na. Final quarter, fourth quarter, 63-28. Malaki ang kalamangan dito ng Peli Boys kontra One Love. 63-28. Senior A Division. Final quarter, fourth quarter. Pull-up jumper, basket is good. Number 3, Season, dumulis yung bola. Number 12, Mandani. 3-on-2, Mandani. Still. Number 7, Albao. Yo. $65-30. Mandani. Number 19, no. Number 7, Albao. 3-on-1, Albalan, Albao. Tumesa. Scored. Oras natin, 8 minutes and 55 seconds. And the final quarter, fourth quarter, 67-30. Number 19, running shot, no. Number 1, may foul. Number 2. Oras natin, 8 minutes and 44. And the final quarter, fourth quarter, score natin, 67-32. Number 7, Albao. Number 1, Bolig. No, put back. Basket is good. 69-32. And the fourth quarter, number 8, Nadal. 10 over sa One Love. Oras natin, 8 minutes. Traveling violation. $69-32. 7 minutes and 59. And the fourth quarter. Number 31. Basket is good. 69-34. Number 7. Albao coast to coast. Albao no. So number 29. Santos. No. Number 12. Mandani. Score natin 69-38. 7 minutes and 4 seconds. Mesa, stop and pop. Number 19, pull-up jumper. Air ball. Time out, Pele Boys. Oras natin, 6 minutes and 41 seconds. And the fourth quarter, 69-38. Abante pa rin na malaki ang Pele Boys Senior A Division kontra One Love. Last game na to ng Barangay Summer League, Barangay Batingan. Balik action tayo, 69-36. 69-38. Official score, 69-38. Pugoy. Number 12, Mandani. Pull-up jumper. Number 8, Soriano. To number 25. Soriano putback is good. (71-38). 5 minutes and 50 in the fourth quarter, final quarter. Still, number 9, Pugoy. Number 9 to number 25. Aragosa, number 8, favorite shot. Number 29, Santos to number 19. Number 8, Soriano is good. Oras natin, 5 minutes exactly. In the fourth quarter, Mandani for the 3. Mandani. Wow! Number 8 to number 25, Aragosa. Official score, 75-41. Santos to number 90 for the 3. No. Number 25, Aragosa. Pugoy. No. (75-41). It's good. 75-43. Number 17 to Aragosa. Basket is good. Four minutes exactly in the fourth quarter. Number 9, Pugoy to Aragosa. No, putback. Aragosa is good. Time out. One Love. 79-43. Nangangamoy na unang panalo ng Pele Boys ngayong gabi, ngayong Friday, ngayong June 27. Nagdala nga tayo dito sa Barangay Batingan. Atid sa inyo ng Switch Fiber. Mag-switch ka na. Shoutout kay Boss Glenn Anore, Boss G-Boy Anore, Pat Gili Anore. Final quarter na tayo, fourth quarter, 3 minutes and 35. 79-43. Official score, 79-43. Still, number 8, Soriano. Stop and pop for the 3. No. Still, number 17, Antaso. Number 15, no. 79-43. Number 8, Nadal. It's good. Number 8. $81-45. Malahati ang malamang dito ng Pele Boys. 81-45, number 12, Manzani. Number 8, Soriano. To number 15, no. No. $83-47 for the 3. Number 10, Reyes, red. To number 15 of the glass. Number 8, Nadal. Nadal, up and under, no. 85-47, Alcalta. Basket is good. 87-47. 29, Santos, pull up jumper. Air ball. 87-47. For the 3. For the 3. No. Number 15. No. Ayaw talaga pumasok. 87-47. Ayun, final score. 87-47. Panalo ang Pele Boys kontra One Love. Ayun, congrats both team. One Love kontra Pele Boys. Panalo ang Pele Boys kontra One Love. 87-47. Ayun, hanggang dito na lang. Maraming salamat mga idol. Thanks for watching.